Hi everyone, it's time for our last cooking and it is called Dino Chow. We're gonna make some Dino Chow. Now this has a lot of ingredients and it also requires some cooking on the stove. So we're definitely gonna need a grown-up, someone older that can help us with the stove top today. So first rule, we're gonna wash our hands. Then it tells us the ingredients that we are going to need today. The first thing is dirt. We're gonna need some dirt. That's our cocoa. And then it says we're gonna need swamp water. So we need milk, half a cup of milk, and we're gonna put in some green food coloring to make it look like green swamp water. Then it says we need some crushed bones. That's our sugar. And then it says get some fat in there. We're gonna use butter. Then after we put those ingredients in our pot, it says we need to put it on the top of the stove, on the stove top, and boil it for 3 minutes. So let's mix our ingredients. It says that we are going to need 1/4 cup of dirt. So here's my 1/4 cup, 1/4. See the bigger one there, that's easier. So I'm gonna put 1/4 cup of dirt or cocoa powder. I'm gonna put that on my spoon, measure it out. That's my measuring tool. Put that in my pot. And then it says we need 1/2 cup of swamp water. So let's make our swamp water. We've got milk, and then we'll put a few drops of green, 1, 2, 3, green food coloring in. And we'll give that a stir. Look at that, how fun. All right, so we have to mix our dirt and our swamp water. Goes right into the pan. Then it says we're gonna add our crushed bones. And our crushed bones are going to be sugar. So I'm gonna get my sugar, and I believe it calls for 2 cups of sugar. Whew, that pours in pretty good. All right, there's 1. Here's my 1 cup measuring. It's a big one. 2, and then it says we need that fat, and that is our butter, and I believe we need 1/2 cup. So that is this measuring. This one's a little bit harder to see, but that's another fraction, 1/2, 1/2 cup. So I'm going to get my fat. This is butter or margarine. We'll put that right in there. Goes right in the pot. So we've got our crushed bones, our fat, our dirt, and our swamp water. And then we're gonna stir that all up. And this is where it's going to go on the stove top. Gonna keep stirring it, and it's going to get hot. It's going to boil. That means that the liquid starts to bubble. It's going to boil for 3 minutes. And then it'll be time to add some crushed bugs and some dead grass. So I have another pot over here that I did put on the stove top for 3 minutes, and I boiled. Oh, can you see the steam coming up? That'll show. So now we're gonna put in our dead grass, and that's our oatmeal. 2 cups of dead grass. So I'm gonna get my 1 cup measuring. I'm gonna put in 1, 2 cups dead grass. And now, I'm guessing a dinosaur favorite is some crushed bugs. And let's see, we are going to need 1/2 cup of crushed bugs. Here's my crushed bugs. It's peanut butter. And then we are going to stir all of that together. We'll put that in our measuring spoon. Then we're going to stir it all together. There we go. I got it in my measuring. Right in it goes. There we go. And now I'm going to stir that up. My peanut butter crushed bug top back on. I'm going to get my spoon, and then I'm going to stir it up. There we go. So we're going to stir this all up. It smells really good. We're going to stir it good till it's all mixed up. Get all those crushed bugs and dead grass all mixed up. And then once it's cool, we're going to take a cookie sheet and we're going to drop it. Actually, I think we can do it before it's cool. That looks pretty good. There you go, it's all mixed up. So I'm going to get my cookie sheet. Now I like to put a little parchment paper. That's that paper right here on my cookie sheet. You can see that. And then we're going to drop it onto our little swamp water. There we go. We're going to put it in a spoon, and then we're going to put it right on our cookie sheet. Drop it on there. That's going to be our Dino Chow. Maybe a nice little treat. So we get a snack. This is maybe a snack the dinosaurs would like to eat. You're going to put it on here, and you're going to wait till it's cool. When it gets cool, it'll all stick together a little bit better. You could even put it in the refrigerator or in the freezer to help them get cool a little bit faster. Fill that up. It makes an awful lot of treats there, so you can share it with lots of other people, have a nice snack for a while. And I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you've had a great week. I've enjoyed getting to spend at least some time with you over our videos. I hope you have a great rest of your summer, and thanks for joining me for Let's Explore, and I hope to see you all really, really soon. Goodbye.